welcome to my French class. Bonjour et bienvenue à mon cours de français. In today's class, we're going to go over vocabulary. We're going to go over colors. We're going to go over family tree, body parts, hotel, rooms, restaurants, coffee shop, bars, how to order in fast foods, markets, retail, and we're going to finish with transportation. Now, these topics are topics that I've selected due to the fact that they're common when you travel. You hit up airports, transportations, hotel, market, if you want to go grocery shopping, get something to eat. Body parts, because it's important to know how they're called. Family tree and colors, which is quite useful to know. So these are the topics I've picked. Obviously, it's limited. It's not the entire language, but it gives us room to make future videos and elaborate on these topics on vocabulary. So a little heads up, I did use the book. Little warning that I used this book. I'll put the description, the details in the description box. Now I had to press it on the scanner on the flatbed. So unfortunately, certain images that are from the middle came out a little blurry, but not enough to not vividly see what the image is explaining. So we'll go over them together. I've both scanned and taken pictures with my phone, so leave me in the comments which quality you prefer. For future videos, either I should just take them directly with my phone or to actually scan them for visual purposes. So let me know. I'm curious to see what you prefer. But again, the book is a little old school. My scanner is old school. I am old school. So the image quality came out old school. I edit all my videos. I shoot all my videos. So obviously it's not expert level, but it's enough to demonstrate how to speak the language and show you images in order to learn vocabulary. So let's get into it.
Les couleurs, the colors. On top, we have the first column where we name the color. It's in masculine. They put an example here, un cahier. Then they have the color in the feminine form. And as an example on top, they put une trousse. Un cahier is a booklet or notebook. Une trousse is those little pouches where you put all your pens and eraser. It looks like a little makeup bag, but it's not. I'll put an image. So that's une trousse, it's feminine. Then you have des cahiers, which is plural masculine. And then you have des trousses, which is plural feminine. Now we've gone over why we write them like this. When it's feminine, normally it ends with an E. When it's plural, it ends with an S. If it's feminine plural, it ends with an ES. So we've gone down that road before. So this is a great example where they show you the color and how you link it if it's a plural version or if it's a feminine plural version. So let's start on top. Jaune. So jaune. Jaune is yellow. Jaune in feminine and masculine, they're both the same. And in the plural form, they're also masculine and feminine plural are the same. Same thing with rose. So rose in French is a rose. And again, plural form, doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine, it's both the same, ES. So rose. Then you have rouge for red, rouge. And again, plural of rouge is the same whether if it's masculine or feminine. Now with blue, bleu, blue, bleu, the feminine form of blue ends with an E. The plural form of the masculine blue ends with an S. And the feminine plural form ends with an ES. So bleu. But again, this is only written. It's not spoken. So you don't mention them when you speak. So it's bleu no matter what. Then you have vert. Masculine form is vert, green. Then the feminine form of green is verte, verte. So here you do pronounce the E, verte. Then the plural form masculine is vert. And again, the feminine plural is verte, verte. For gray, you have gris, masculine, grise, feminine, une voiture grise, let's say, a car that's gray. So une voiture, because it's feminine, the color will also be feminine, so grise. Then the plural form is gris, nothing changes here. But the feminine plural form is grise. However, you add an S. So grise with an S. Black is noir. Black is noir. So the feminine form ends with an E, but you still pronounce it noir. Plural form masculine, noir, with an S. And feminine plural, noir, with an ES. So for purple, violet, violet, mauve would be purple. So this one is violet. Feminine version of violet is violette. So double the consonant, add an E, violette. The plural masculine is violet with an S. And the feminine plural is violette with an S. So for white, you have blanc. Blanc. So be careful, don't say blanc. It's not blanc, you don't pronounce the C. Blanc. And then the feminine is blanche. Let's say la neige blanche, the white snow. So blanche is the feminine version of blanc, white. Then you have the plural where you add an S to blanc. And then the feminine plural where you add an S to blanche. Now for orange, all throughout you write it orange, orange, orange. So it doesn't matter masculine, feminine, plural, or singular. It's all orange. And same with maroon, marron. So maroon is marron. And again, you write marron the same no matter if it's feminine, masculine, plural, or singular. So we have jaune, rose, rouge, bleu, vert, gris, noir, violet, blanc, orange, marron. And then the feminine of these colors is jaune, rose, rouge, bleu, verte, grise, noire, violette, blanche, orange, marron.
Next, we have la famille, the family. On the top right, we have the husband and the wife. So the husband is le mari. The wife is la femme. So le mari and la femme. Husband and wife, le mari et la femme. Then to the left, we have la belle-fille, the daughter-in-law. So la belle-fille, the daughter-in-law. Le fils, the son. Le fils. So be careful, you don't pronounce the L in fils. So la belle-fille et le fils. Under daughter-in-law and son, we have le petit-fils, grandson. Le petit-fils, grandson. La petite-fille, granddaughter. La petite-fille, granddaughter. Then we have, to the right of granddaughter, we have la fille, the daughter. And the son-in-law is le gendre. So la fille et le gendre, daughter and son-in-law. So that's the immediate family. Next slide. It's la grand-mère, the grandmother. Le grand-père, the grandfather. So don't forget, when you're memorizing vocabulary, always memorize the article / determinant. So la grand-mère, le grand-père. Here, the feminine and masculine form is obvious, but let's say if it comes to car or a certain object, you're not going to know clearly if it's a feminine or masculine. So if you do memorize the le and the la before, you'll know automatically if the word is masculine or feminine without having to look it up. So again, I highly recommend memorizing both the article and the word. So next slide. L'oncle, the uncle. L'oncle, the uncle. La tante, the aunt. La tante. The father is le père. Father is le père. And mother is la mère. Mother, la mère. L'oncle, la tante, le père, la mère. Next slide. We have le cousin for the cousin. Le cousin. For brother, we have le frère. Le frère. For sister, we have la sœur. La sœur. So le cousin, le frère, la sœur. Next slide. We have, starting from the left, le mari and la femme. So husband and wife. Then to the right of the wife, we have la belle-mère, the mother-in-law, le beau-père, the father-in-law. So la belle-mère, le beau-père. Then under, we have le beau-frère, the brother-in-law, le beau-frère. Sister-in-law is la belle-sœur. La belle-sœur. Niece, la nièce. La nièce. And nephew, we have le neveu. Le neveu. So, le mari, la femme, la belle-mère, le beau-père, le beau-frère, la belle-sœur, la nièce et le neveu. Next slide. We have the stages of life. So, les stades, the stages. So, baby, le bébé. Baby, le bébé. Child is l'enfant. So, child, l'enfant. Boy is le garçon. Le garçon. Girl, we have la fille. La fille. Teenager, l'adolescente. L'adolescente. Adult, we have l'adulte. L'adulte. Man, we have l'homme. L'homme. And woman, la femme. La femme. So both a woman and a wife, both are la femme. So I'll repeat from the beginning of the slide. Le bébé, l'enfant, le garçon, la fille, l'adolescente, l'adulte, l'homme, la femme. Next slide. If we start from the right, it's madame. So for Mrs. is madame. Mr. is monsieur. So here it's tricky. It's spelled completely different from how you pronounce it. It's not pronounced monsieur. So please be careful. It's not monsieur, although you're very tempted to read it that way. So Mr. is monsieur, monsieur, and Miss is mademoiselle, mademoiselle. So these are the titles, les titres. So again, madame if you're a married woman, monsieur if you're a married man, mademoiselle if you're not married. So here are their titles. Next slide. It's a vocabulary table. So relatives is les parents. Relatives, les parents. Parents is also les parents. So parents, les parents as well. Grandchildren is les petits-enfants. Les petits-enfants. Stepmother, la belle-mère. Stepson, le beau-fils. Generation is la génération. So la génération. Grandparents, les grands-parents. Les grands-parents. Children, les enfants. Stepfather, le beau-père. Stepdaughter, la belle-fille. Partner, le or la partenaire. And twins is les jumeaux. Les jumeaux. Next category is the body, le corps. So be careful, you don't pronounce the P nor the S. Le corps. And these are not tricks, it's just memorization. Start with the top left. We have the hair, les cheveux, the skin, la peau, Staying on the left side, we have the eyebrow, le sourcil. So the last L, you do not pronounce it. Eyebrow, le sourcil. Eyelash, le cil. Here you pronounce the L, le cil. The ear is l'oreille. The nose, le nez. So don't forget, EZ is E. You don't pronounce the Z. So le nez. The mole is le grain de beauté. Lip is la lèvre. Chin, le menton. To the right-hand side of the slide, we have the forehead, le front. So you don't pronounce the T. Le front. The temple is la tempe. The eye is l'œil. The cheek is la joue. Nostril is la narine. Mouth is la bouche. Jaw is la mâchoire. So heads up, one eye is l'œil. Your eyes, both of them. The plural form of l'œil is les yeux. Les yeux. L-E-S, yeux, Y-E-U-X. Just throwing it out there because it's quite different. It's not what you expect. The word completely changes. So l'œil for one eye, les yeux for both of your eyes. So next slide is the entire body. So starting on the left side, left top, the neck, le cou. Le cou for the neck. La poitrine for the chest. La poitrine. The abdomen is le ventre. Le ventre. Hip, la hanche. La hanche. Genitals, you have les organes génitaux. Shin is le tibia. Le tibia. L'homme is male. The groin is l'aine. L'aine. And then going towards la femme, the female, starting on the top right, the head, la tête. La tête. Breasts is le sein. Le sein or les seins, if you want to speak about both. La taille, waist. La taille. Le nombril, navel. Le nombril. The forearm, l'avant-bras. L'avant-bras. Your thighs is la cuisse. Knee is le genou. Le genou. The foot is le pied. Le pied. The leg is la jambe. La jambe. A nipple is le mamelon. Le mamelon. So next slide goes towards the back of the body. So let's start with the top left for the female, la femme. So the shoulder is l'épaule. L'épaule for shoulder. For the arm, le bras. Le bras. For the elbow, le coude. Le coude. The wrist is le poignet. Le poignet. So please don't forget, OI is wa, GN is nye, ET is e. So le poignet. The hand is la main. La main. Ankle is la cheville. La cheville. We have the heel, le talon. Le talon. Calf, le mollet. Le mollet. Buttock, la fesse. La fesse. Small of back is le creux des reins. Le creux des reins. Le creux des reins. Armpit, l'aisselle. L'aisselle. You can also say sous-bras. That means underarm. Sous is under. Bras is arm. So you can also say sous-bras for armpit. The back, le dos. Le dos. And nape, la nuque. La nuque. Next slide is wrinkle, freckle, pore, and dimple. So for wrinkle, we say la ride. La ride. Freckle, la tache de rousseur. La tache de rousseur. Pore, le pore. Dimple, la fossette. La fossette. Next slide. The hand in detail. So starting from the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, you have the little finger, l'auriculaire. Little finger is l'auriculaire. The ring finger is l'annulaire. L'annulaire. Middle finger is le majeur. Le majeur. Index finger is l'index. L'index. Palm is la paume. La paume. And wrist, we already saw le poignet. Le poignet. To the right-hand side, we have the fist. Le poing. So the picture where it's making a fist, le poing. And then in the middle, and where you have the back of the hand, let's start with the thumb, le pouce. Le pouce. The nail is l'ongle. L'ongle. So be careful. Uncle is l'oncle with a C, and nail is l'ongle with a G. Cuticle, la cuticule. La cuticule. Knuckle, le nœud de l'articulation. Le nœud de l'articulation. Next slide, we have the foot in detail, so le pied. Le pied. So again, tricky, P-I-E-D, you don't pronounce the D, and you pronounce it as pied, although it's not written necessarily straightforward for you to pronounce it like that, but it's le pied. So left-hand side, the toe, l'orteil. L'orteil. The ball is l'avant-pied. L'avant-pied. The sole is la plante du pied. La plante du pied. Instep is le coup de pied. Le coup de pied. The arc is la cambrure. La cambrure. The heel, le talon. Le talon. To the right-hand side, top left, we have the big toe, le gros orteil. The big toe, le gros orteil. Then you have the toenail, l'ongle du pied. L'ongle du pied. Little toe, le petit orteil. Le petit orteil. So toe is orteil. Now if it's big, it's gros. If it's small, little, it's petit. So little trick there. Le petit orteil, le gros orteil. So le petit orteil is the little toe. The ankle, la cheville. La cheville. And the bridge, le dos du pied. Le dos du pied. Next category is les hôtels. The hotels. So for the first slide, the hall, the lobby, in French is le hall, which is taken from the English word the hall. It's quite obvious. Now, the top left, we start with the guest, is le client. So guest is le client. You can also say the client. So the guest and the client are both le client in French. The room key is la clé de la chambre. So la clé de la chambre. That's for room key. So let's say you would say here, j'ai besoin de la clé de la chambre. I need the key of the room. Let's say if they forgot to give it to you. J'ai besoin de la clé de la chambre. Messages, les messages. Messages, les messages. Pigeonhole, le casier. Le casier. You can also say it for the lockers. Let's say if you go to the gym or the 24-hour fitness here in America, let's say, and you want a locker, that's also le casier. So if you go to the gym, let's say in France, and it's not necessarily a pigeonhole, but you want a locker, you can ask for un casier. Receptionist, la réceptionniste, la réceptionniste. The register, le registre, le registre. Counter, le comptoir, le comptoir. Reception, la réception, la réception. Next slide. Are your rooms? And there are your, let's say, accessories. So let's start with the top left. The porter is le porteur. Porter is le porteur. Luggage, les bagages. Les bagages. Carte, le diable. Le diable. Be careful because that also means the devil. So cart and devil are both le diable. Elevator, l'ascenseur. Où sont les ascenseurs? That would be your question. Where are the elevators? Où sont les ascenseurs? Or, est-ce que, remember that? Est-ce que vous savez où sont les ascenseurs? Pourrez-vous me montrer où sont les ascenseurs? These are all types of questions you can ask concerning the elevators. Room number, le numéro de chambre. Le numéro de chambre, so room number. Then you have the rooms, les chambres. A single room is la chambre simple. Single room, la chambre simple. Double room, la chambre double. La chambre double. Twin room, la chambre à deux lits. La chambre à deux lits. So very straightforward. The room with two beds is a twin room. À deux lits. Private bathroom, la salle de bain privée. La salle de bain privée. So bathroom is salle de bain. Toilets is toilet. And restroom will also be called either toilet or salle de bain. There is no such thing as a restroom. It either falls into the two categories I mentioned. So for the bedroom, going into details here. On the top left hand, you have l'armoire, your wardrobe. So l'armoire. L'armoire. The bedside lamp is la lampe de chevet. La lampe de chevet. Headboard, la tête de lit. La tête de lit. Nightstand, la table de nuit. La table de nuit. So table means table. Nuit means night. So the table of night. That's the nightstand. So la table de nuit. Chest of drawers, la commode. La commode. To the right-hand side, we have le miroir for the mirror. Le miroir. Dressing table is la coiffeuse. La coiffeuse. La coiffeuse. Heads up, if you want to go to the hair salon, that's also la coiffeuse. Ou coiffeur. So coiffeuse, coiffeur. The floor, le sol. The floor, le sol. So on the bottom, we have the drawer, le tiroir. The drawer, le tiroir. The bed is le lit. le lit. Mattress is le matelas. Le matelas. Bedspread, le couvre-lit. Le couvre-lit. And the pillow is l'oreiller. L'oreiller. Next slide. Hot water bottle. La bouillotte. La bouillotte. Clock radio. Le radio réveil. Radio réveil. Alarm clock. Le réveil. Le réveil. Box of tissues. La boîte de Kleenex. La boîte de Kleenex. Coat hanger. Le cintre. Le cintre. Next slide. We have services, les services. So top left is the maid service, le service de ménage. Maid service is le service de ménage. Laundry service, le service de blanchisserie. Le service de blanchisserie. In Montreal, you can also say le lavage. Throwing it out there, le lavage. Room service, le service d'étage. Le service d'étage. Minibar is le minibar. Same thing, but you say it with a French accent. Le minibar. Restaurant, le restaurant. Same thing, le restaurant. Gym, la salle de sport. La salle de sport. Swimming pool, la piscine. La piscine. So let's say you want to ask the receptionist, where's the swimming pool? Où est la piscine? Est-ce que vous savez où est la piscine? Do you know where the swimming pool is? That's an important one. So vocabulary, a little recap here. La chambre avec le petit déjeuner, that's bed and breakfast. So la chambre avec petit déjeuner, bed and breakfast. All meals included, la pension complète. All meals included is la pension complète. Some meals included, la demi-pension. Some meals included, la demi-pension. So let's say if you're purchasing a package, it's good to know if it's all meals included or some meals included, or if it's a bed and breakfast. Second column. Avez-vous une chambre de libre? Do you have any vacancy? Avez-vous une chambre de libre? So, question, avez-vous une chambre de libre? Do you have any vacancies? Under that, we have, yes, I have a reservation. Oui, j'ai une réservation. I'm throwing the yes in there, but it's, I have a reservation, j'ai une réservation. I'd like a single room, please. Let's throw a please in there. Let's not be too demanding. I'd like a single room, please. Je voudrais une chambre simple, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais une chambre simple, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a single room, please. Third column, je voudrais une chambre pour 3 nuits, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a room for 3 nights, please. Je voudrais une chambre pour 3 nuits. Je voudrais, I'd like, une chambre, a room, pour 4, 3 nuits, nights. Under that, what is the charge per night? C'est combien par nuit? What is the charge per night is c'est combien par nuit? When do I have to check out? Quand est-ce que je dois quitter la chambre? Quand est-ce que je dois quitter la chambre? When do I have to check out? Next slide, we have the bed. So on the top side, le linge de lit, the bed linen. Le linge de lit, the bed linen. Pillowcase is
la tête d'oreiller. Pillowcase, la tête d'oreiller.
Sheet, le drap. Le drap. Dust ruffle, la frange de lit. La frange de lit. Comforter, la couette. La couette. Kilt is l'édredon. L'édredon. The kilt is l'édredon. And the blanket is la couverture. So, the vocabulary. Again, a little recap. Le lit simple. Twin bed. Le grand lit. Full bed. Le grand lit. Electric blanket, la couverture chauffante. Electric blanket is la couverture chauffante. Footboard, le pied de lit. Le pied de lit. Bed spring, le sommier. Le sommier. Carpet, le tapis. Le tapis. Insomnia, l'insomnie. L'insomnie. To go to bed is se coucher. Se coucher. Go to sleep is s'endormir. That's to fall asleep. So s'endormir. Wake up, se réveiller. Se réveiller. Get up, se lever. Se lever. Be careful because taking a shower is se laver. So cleaning yourself is se laver. So se laver versus se lever. Lever is get up. Make the bed, faire le lit. Make the bed, faire le lit. Set the alarm, mettre le réveil. Mettre le réveil. Snore, ronfler. Snore, ronfler. So how would you ask somebody to please stop snoring politely? You would say, s'il vous plaît, arrêtez de ronfler. S'il vous plaît, arrêtez de ronfler. In the closet, l'armoire encastrée. L'armoire encastrée. Les restaurants, the restaurants. First slide, le restaurant. The table setting is le couvert. Le couvert. Sous-chef is le commis. Le commis. Kitchen is la cuisine. La cuisine. The chef is called le chef de cuisine. Le chef de cuisine. Server, le garçon. Le garçon. In Montreal, we say le serveur, which is the French version of server. Garçon is a little old school for Montreal. So in Montreal, we say le serveur, ou la serveuse if it's a woman, serveur if it's a male. But again, I recommend you to learn the book version. So the server here is le garçon. Glace is le verre. Le verre. So be careful, it's not the color vert. It's not V-E-R-T, it's V-E-R-R-E. And V-E-R-R-E is glace. Tray, le plateau. Le plateau for tray. Next slide. Les plats. So your courses. Les plats. So l'apéritif, the aperitif, is what you start with. Mostly a drink here. L'entrée is an appetizer. Entrée is appetizer. Soup is la soupe. La soupe. Now the main dish is le plat principal. And then side order, l'accompagnement. Side order, l'accompagnement. Dessert, le dessert. Le dessert. And coffee, le café. le café. Next slide, you have la carte, which is the menu. But if you say le menu, they'll understand. Où est le menu? So in Montreal, if you say menu, everybody will understand. So la carte is the proper French way of saying menu. Child's meal, le menu d'enfant. Child's meal, le menu d'enfant. Order is commander. Commander. So if let's say you want to ask somebody, can you please order? S'il vous plaît, pouvez-vous commander? Ou s'il vous plaît, est-ce que je peux commander? Can I please order? Est-ce que je peux commander, s'il vous plaît? So please, you can put it in the beginning or the end of the sentence. It doesn't matter as long as you include it. Pay, payer. Est-ce que je peux payer? Can I please pay? Est-ce que je peux payer, s'il vous plaît? Next slide, vocabulary. So le menu du soir, the dinner menu. Le menu du soir. The wine list, la carte des vins. La carte des vins. Lunch menu, le menu du déjeuner. Le menu du déjeuner. Again, be careful if you're in Montreal, that means the breakfast menu, not lunch menu. So heads up there. Les spécialités, the specials. Les spécialités. À la carte is à la carte. That's a French word that we're using here in the English language. So à la carte means à la carte. Dessert card. So the dessert card is le plateau de dessert. Price, le prix. What is the price? Quel est le prix? Do you know what the price is? Est-ce que vous savez le prix? Check, l'addition. So the addition, it's check. So in French is l'addition. Receipt, le reçu. Le reçu. Tip, please always tip. Le pourboire. So le pourboire for tip. Service charge included. Service compris. Service charge included. Service compris. Service charge not included. Service non compris. Service non compris. Buffet, le buffet. Le buffet. The bar, le bar. Où est le bar? Where's the bar? Où est le bar? Salt, le sel. Avez-vous du sel? Do you have salt? Avez-vous du sel? Customer, le client. And pepper, le poivre. Pepper, le poivre. Next slide, the meals, les repas, the dinner meals, le repas. So, soupe, le potage. For soup, le potage. Broth, le bouillon. Broth, le bouillon. Stew, le ragoût. Le ragoût. Curry, le curry. Le curry. Roast, le rôti. Le rôti. Pot pie, la tourte. La tourte. Soufflé, le soufflé. This is again another French word we're using here in English. So, le soufflé. Soufflé. Le shish kebab. Kebab is le shish kebab. Next slide. Meatballs. Les boulettes de viande. Les boulettes de viande. Omelette, l'omelette. L'omelette. Stir fry, le sauté. Le sauté. Noodles, les nouilles. Les nouilles. Pasta, les pâtes. Les pâtes. Bottom part, we have rice, le riz. Le riz. Toss salad, la salade composée. La salade composée. Green salad, la salade verte. La salade verte. And dressing is la vinaigrette. la vinaigrette. Now for preparation, for techniques, la préparation. So techniques, la préparation. Stuffed is farci. Stuffed is farci. In sauce is en sauce. En sauce. Grilled is grillé. Grillé. Poulet grillé would be like grilled chicken. Grilled chicken breast would be poitrine de poulet grillé. Marinated, mariné. Mariné. Poached. In the case of poached eggs, let's say. Poché. Poché. Mashed, en purée. En purée. Which also can be considered as puree, but in this case it's mashed en purée. Baked, cuit. Baked, cuit. Pan-fried, sauté. Pan-fried, sauté. Next category, the bar, le bar. First slide, le bar. Top portion, we have, starting on the left, glasses, les verres. Glasses, les verres. Dispenser, la mesure. La mesure. Cash register, la caisse. La caisse. Bartender, le barman. Le barman. Beer tap, la pompe à bière. La pompe à bière. Coffee machine, le percolateur. Le percolateur. On the bottom, we have the ice bucket, le seau à glace. Le seau à glace. Bar stool, le tabouret de bar. Le tabouret de bar. Ashtray, le cendrier. Le cendrier. Coaster, le dessous de verre. Le dessous de verre. Bar counter, le comptoir. Le comptoir. Next slide. We have the alcoholic drinks. So alcoholic drinks. Les boissons alcoolisées. Les boissons alcoolisées. Let's start with the beer, la bière. Beer is la bière. Canned beer is la boîte. Can is la boîte. La bière en boîte. La bière en boîte is canned beer. Hard cider is le cidre. Hard cider, le cidre. Bitter, la bière anglaise. La bière anglaise. Stout, la bière brune. La bière brune. Gin is le gin. Le gin. La vodka, for vodka. La vodka. Le whiskey, for whiskey. These are straightforward. Le whiskey. Le rhum, for rum. Le rhum. And le brandy. Le brandy, for brandy. Le brandy. Next slide. We have for Porto, le Porto. Port. Le Porto. Sherry. Le sherry. If it's dry, it's sec. Dry is sec. The Campari, le Campari. Le Campari. Then you have for liquor, le liqueur. Le liqueur. Tequila, la tequila. La tequila. Champagne is le champagne. Le champagne. And then you have the wines. You have le rosé, le vin. So le vin rosé, le vin blanc for white, and then le vin rouge for red. So wine is le vin rosé, le vin blanc, ou le vin rouge. Then you have various drinks. So let's start on the top left, the gin tonic, le gin tonic. Gin and tonic is le gin tonic. Pitcher is le pichet. Scotch and water. Le scotch à l'eau. Scotch and water is le scotch à l'eau. And the water, you put it in the pitcher. L'eau dans le pichet. Rum and coke. Le rhum coca. Le rhum coca. Ice cube, le glaçon. Le glaçon. Screwdriver, la vodka à l'orange. La vodka à l'orange. Martini, le martini. Le martini. Cocktail, le cocktail. And then wine, le vin. Beer, la bière. A shot is un coup. So a shot of tequila, un coup de tequila. Let's say. Measure, la mesure. Single, simple. Double, double. Simple et double. Without ice, sans glaçon. Sans glaçon. With ice, avec des glaçons. Avec des glaçons. So next slide, we have les amuse-gueules bar snacks. Now, I've commonly heard the term amuse-bouche. That's what I personally use. Bouche means mouth, and amuse means amuse, so to amuse your mouth. Amuse-gueule, if my memory serves well, gueule is the mouth of an animal. So it's a little bit more slang. So you can say amuse-gueule, but I use amuse-bouche. So these are little snacks. We can start with potato chip. So les chips, potato chips. Almond, les amandes. Les amandes. Cashew, les noix de cajou. Les noix de cajou. Peanuts, les cacahuètes. Les cacahuètes. Nuts, les noix. Les noix. Olives, les olives. Olives, les olives. And here you can say, green olives, black olives, les olives verts, les olives noires, if you want to be specific. In the food, we have le sandwich grillé, which is a toasted sandwich. Le sandwich grillé. Whole wheat bread is le pain bis. Le pain bis. Salad, la salade. La salade. Ice cream, la glace. La glace, so crème glacée would be ice cream. Here it's la glace, but I'm sorry, I have to correct this. It's la crème glacée. Everyone uses la crème glacée. So maybe this is super old school, where, in literature we used to call it la glace, but la glace is more like ice in my opinion. But then again, stick to the book. Ice cream here is la glace. Scoop, la boule. Scoop, la boule. Pastry, la pâtisserie. La pâtisserie. So let's say you're at the bar and you want to order some nuts. What do you say? Est-ce que je peux avoir des noix? Can I have some nuts? Next slide. Coffee. So when you go to a coffee shop and you want to order coffee, first slide is an actual coffee shop. So if you start on the left, you have le menu, which we've seen before, so the menu. Le store, the awning. On the bottom, if we stick to the left picture, is la terrasse de café. the Sidewalk Cafe, or the Terrace. In America, we say terrace, but Sidewalk Cafe. The right-hand side, you have le parasol, the umbrella. If you're sitting in la terrasse de café, the patio coffee. Server, le serveur. Coffee machine, le percolateur. Table, la table. Snack bar, le snack bar. Now for the different types of coffees, we have le café. Coffee with milk is le crème. Filtered coffee is le café filtré, or café filtre. So filtered coffee, le café filtre. Black coffee, le noir. Le noir. Espresso is l'expresso. L'expresso, that one doesn't change. Cappuccino, le cappuccino, doesn't change. Cocoa powder, le chocolat en poudre. Cocoa powder, or if you want to say hot chocolate, you can say le chocolat chaud. So hot chocolate, le chocolat chaud. Froth, la mousse. La mousse. And iced coffee, le café glacé. Café glacé. For the teas now, le thé. So,
La tisane. Herbal tea. La tisane.
Herbal tea. Tea with milk is le thé au lait. Le thé au lait. Black tea, le thé noir. Le thé noir. Tea with lemon, le thé au citron. Le thé au citron. On top of that one, we have chamomile tea. La camomille. La camomille. Mint tea, l'infusion de menthe. L'infusion de menthe. Green tea, le thé vert. Le thé vert. And iced tea, le thé glacé. Le thé glacé. Next slide, it's the drinks, les boissons. So water is l'eau. De l'eau, water. L'eau en bouteille is bottled water. L'eau en bouteille. Sparkling is gazeux. So l'eau gazeux. L'eau gazeux. Mineral water is l'eau minérale. L'eau minérale. Mineral water. L'eau du robinet is tap water. So robinet is your sink. So water from the sink. Tap water, l'eau du robinet. Tonic water, le tonic. Soda water, le soda. Next slide, we have les boissons chaudes, the hot drinks. So tea bag is le sachet de thé. Le sachet de thé. Loose leaf tea is les feuilles de thé. Les feuilles de thé. Tea is thé. Les grains, beans, les grains. Le café moulu, ground coffee, le café moulu. Then you have le chocolat chaud, hot chocolate, le chocolat chaud. La boisson maltée. Malted drinks. La boisson maltée. Next slide, we have les jus et milkshakes. I like the anglophone word here. Juice and milkshakes. So les jus et les milkshakes. So starting on the left, you have le jus d'orange, orange juice. Le jus d'orange. Apple juice is le jus de pomme. Le jus de pomme. Pineapple juice is le jus d'ananas. Le jus d'ananas. So be careful, it's not le jus d'ananas. I've heard that before. It's not that. It's le jus d'ananas. So you don't pronounce the S in jus and you don't pronounce the S in ananas. Tomato juice, le jus de tomate. Tomato juice, le jus de tomate. Now for the milkshakes, you have chocolate milkshake, le milkshake au chocolat, le milkshake au chocolat. Strawberry milkshake, le milkshake à la fraise. Le milkshake à la fraise. Coffee milkshake, le milkshake au café. Le milkshake au café. Now, les boissons non alcoolisées, soft drinks that are non-alcoholic. Le jus de tomate, tomato juice. Le jus de raisin, grape juice. So, le jus de raisin. La limonade, for lemonade. Straw is la paille. Une paille, can I have a straw? Est-ce que je peux avoir une paille? S'il vous plaît, please. So after lemonade, la limonade, it's l'orangeade. L'orangeade, orangeade. And then le coca for cola. So coca for cola. Now for cakes, les gâteaux. Cakes, les gâteaux. First slide, les gâteaux et desserts. Cakes and desserts. Les gâteaux et desserts. So starting on the top left, we have éclair in French is l'éclair. So l'éclair. Under that, you have for cream, la crème. La crème. For filling is la garniture. La garniture. To the right-hand side on top, choux pastry is la pâte à choux. La pâte à choux. Puff pastry, la pâte feuilletée. La pâte feuilletée. Phyllo dough, la pâte de phyllo. La pâte de phyllo. Bottom right hand. Enrobé de chocolat means chocolate covered. Enrobé de chocolat. Muffin, le muffin. Straightforward, le muffin. Sponge cake, la madeleine. La madeleine. On the left-hand side, starting from the top portion of the plate, fruit cake is le cake. Fruit cake, le cake. Fruit tart, la tarte aux fruits. La tarte aux fruits. Meringue is la meringue. Next slide, we have les gâteaux de fête, celebration cakes. So starting on the left, you have l'étage supérieur, the top tier. L'étage supérieur. L'étage inférieur, the bottom tier. L'étage inférieur. Marzipan, so le pâte d'amande is marzipan. Le gâteau de mariage, wedding cake. Le gâteau de mariage, wedding cake. Now, the top right of the wedding cake, we have, for the ribbon, le ruban. Le ruban. Frosting, le glaçage. On the right-hand side, la décoration, decoration. La décoration. Birthday candles is les bougies d'anniversaire. Les bougies d'anniversaire. Blowout, souffler. Souffler. And birthday cake is le gâteau d'anniversaire. Le gâteau d'anniversaire. Next slide. Les pépites de chocolat means chocolate chip. So les pépites de chocolat, chocolate chip. Les biscuits, cookies, les biscuits. To the right-hand side of the cookies, we have les boudoirs. Lady fingers, les boudoirs. Florentine, le Florentine. Le Florentine. Trifle, le diplomate. Le diplomate. Then on the bottom you have for mousse, la mousse. La mousse. Sherbet, le sorbet. Le sorbet. Cream pie, la tarte à la crème. La tarte à la crème. Cream caramel, la crème caramel. La crème caramel. Next slide, you have vocabulary. So a little recap. La crème pâtissière. Le gâteau au chocolat, chocolate cake. Le gâteau au chocolat. A bun is le petit gâteau. Le petit gâteau. Custard, la crème anglaise. La crème anglaise. Pastry, la pâte. La pâte. Slice, la tranche. La tranche. Rice pudding, le riz au lait. Le riz au lait. Celebration, la fête. La fête. And the question, may I have a slice, please? Est-ce que je peux avoir une tranche, s'il vous plaît? So, est-ce que je peux avoir une tranche, s'il vous plaît? Petit déjeuner. So, for breakfast items, we have le jus de fruits, so fruit juice, le café, coffee, la table du petit déjeuner, the breakfast table, so la table du petit déjeuner, croissant, le croissant, hot chocolate, le chocolat chaud, drinks, les boissons, and tea for l'été. Now, for the breakfast portion on the table, we can start with the milk, le lait. So milk is le lait. Cereal, les céréales. Les céréales. Jam, la confiture. La confiture. Dried fruit, les fruits secs. Les fruits secs. Ham, le jambon. Le jambon. Cheese, le fromage. Le fromage. Crisp bread, le biscuit scandinave. Le biscuit scandinave. Breakfast buffet, le buffet du petit déjeuner. Le buffet du petit déjeuner. Marmalade, la confiture d'orange. La confiture d'orange. Pâté is le pâté. Le pâté. And butter is le beurre. Le beurre. Next slide, we have for brioche, brioche. So as you can see, there's a lot of words taken from French to English and from English to French. So brioche is brioche. Bread is le pain. Bread is le pain. Fried egg is l'œuf sur le plat. L'œuf sur le plat. Toast is le toast. Anglophone word used here in French, le toast. Tomato, la tomate. Tomato, la tomate. Black pudding, le boudin. Le boudin. Sausage, la saucisse. La saucisse. Bacon, le bacon. Same word, Anglophone word here. Le bacon. Le petit déjeuner anglais is English breakfast. Le petit déjeuner anglais, English breakfast. Kippers, say it with a French accent. Les kippers. Les kippers. French toast, le pain perdu. French toast, le pain perdu. Soft boiled egg, l'œuf à la coque. L'œuf à la coque. The yolk is le jaune d'œuf.
Scrambled eggs, les œufs brouillés. Les œufs brouillés. Be careful, because if it's œuf, one egg, you pronounce the F in le jaune d'œuf. However, if it's many, les œufs brouillés, it becomes œufs.
Next slide, we have les crêpes for crepes. Les crêpes. Waffles is les gaufres. Les gaufres. Whipped is la crème, whipped cream. La crème. Oatmeal, le porridge. Le porridge. Fresh fruits, les fruits. Les fruits. Fraîche would be fresh. So les fruits fraîches, if you want the fresh fruits to be fresh. And then you have fruit yogurt, le yaourt aux fruits. Le yaourt aux fruits. I'm going to say this a third time because it's a little tricky. Le yaourt aux fruits. Now for fast food, if you're ordering in a fast food restaurant, the first slide, la restauration rapide. La restauration rapide. This is saying fast food in French. So the burger is le hamburger. So it's hamburger but with a French accent. So le hamburger. Straw, la paille. La paille. Soft drinks, la boisson non alcoolisée. La boisson non alcoolisée. French fries, les frites. Les frites. You can also say les patates frites, the potato fries. Paper napkin, la serviette en papier. Paper napkin, serviette en papier. Tray, le plateau. Le plateau. And burger meal is le hamburger avec des frites. So le hamburger avec des frites. Next slide. We have la pizza. So straightforward. If you want to order pizza, it's la pizza. Price list is le tarif. Le tarif. Canned drink, la boisson en boîte. La boisson en boîte. Bottom left, you have home delivery, la livraison à domicile. La livraison à domicile. Then street vendor, le marchand de hot dog. Le marchand de hot dog. Hot dog stand, but here it's street vendor. Now vocabulary, recap. Pizzeria is la pizzeria. La pizzeria. Burger bar, le restaurant rapide. Burger bar, restaurant rapide or fast food. Menu is la carte. Eat in is manger sur place. So if you want to dine in, manger sur place. If you want to take your meal to go is à emporter. À emporter. Ketchup is le ketchup. Reheat is réchauffer. Réchauffer. Oh, I got le ketchup twice. That's all right. À emporter, s'il vous plaît. Can I have that to go, please? À emporter, s'il vous plaît. Can I have that to go, please? Est-ce que vous livrez à domicile? Do you deliver? Est-ce que vous livrez à domicile? Do you deliver? Next slide. Le hamburger. The hamburger. I like saying that word in French. Le hamburger au poulet. The chicken burger. Hamburger au poulet. The bun is le petit pain. Le petit pain. Veggie burger, le hamburger végétarien. Le hamburger végétarien. And if you're vegan, le hamburger vegan. I'm throwing it out there for all my vegan peeps. Now for the hot dog, you have la moutarde, which is the mustard. La moutarde. La saucisse, the sausage. La saucisse. Bottom left, you have sandwich, le sandwich. Club sandwich, le sandwich mixed. Le sandwich mixed. Open-faced sandwich, le canapé. Le canapé. The wrap is le wrap. Le wrap. And garniture is filling. The filling. Next slide. We have kebab, so la viande à la broche. La viande à la broche is kebab, is the meat that you grill on the stick. Then you have la sauce for the sauce. Chicken nuggets, les beignets de poulet. So chicken nuggets is les beignets de poulet. Les crepes. Savory, salé. Salé for savory. Or if it's salty. If it's very salty, you can say c'est très salé. Salé is also salty. Sweet, c'est sucré. Sweet, sucré. Fish and chips is le poisson avec des frites. Fish and chips, le poisson avec des frites. Ribs, les côtes. Les côtes. Fried chicken, le poulet frit. Le poulet frit. And pizza, reoccurring, pizza. Les préparations. So the techniques, les préparations. For fried. Pickled is macéré. Macéré. Smoked is fumé. Fumé. Deep fried is frit. In syrup, au sirop. Au sirop. Dressed is assaisonné. Assaisonné. Steamed, cuit à la vapeur. Cuit à la vapeur. And cured is séché. Séché. Next category is dining room, salle à manger. So salle à manger. So starting with the first slide, table is la table. Pepper, le poivre. Salt, le sel. Crockery, la vaisselle. La vaisselle. Cutlery, les couverts. Les couverts. So on the right-hand side, you have the chair, la chaise. The back of the chair is le dossier. Le dossier. The seat is le siège. Le siège. And leg is le pied. Le pied. Next slide. We have la vaisselle et les couverts. Crockery and cutlery. So starting on the top left, for the mug is la grande tasse. La grande tasse. Teacup, la tasse à thé. La tasse à thé. Coffee cup, la tasse à café. La tasse à café. Teaspoon, la cuillère à café. La cuillère à café. Plate is l'assiette. L'assiette. Bowl is le bol. Le bol. French press, la cafetière. La cafetière. Teapot, la théière. La théière. Pitcher, le pot. Le pot. Egg cup, le coquetier. Le coquetier. Glassware, la verrerie. La verrerie. Tumbler, le verre. Le verre. Wine glass, le verre à vin. Le verre à vin. Next slide. You have napkin ring, le rond de serviette. Le rond de serviette. Napkin is la serviette. La serviette. L'assiette à dessert, the side plate. L'assiette à dessert. Fork, la fourchette. La fourchette. Dinner plate, l'assiette plate. L'assiette plate. L'assiette à soupe. Soup bowl, l'assiette à soupe. Place setting, le couvert. Le couvert. Spoon, la cuillère. La cuillère. Soup, spoon, la cuillère à soupe. La cuillère à soupe. Le couteau, the knife. The knife. Next slide, vocabulary. So, set the table would be mettre la table. Set the table, mettre la table. Serve, servir. Servir. Eat, manger. Manger. Hungry, faim. Faim. Thirsty is soif. I don't see it here, so I'm just adding it myself. Soif is thirsty. Tablecloth, la nappe. La nappe. Breakfast, le petit déjeuner. Lunch, le déjeuner. Dinner, le dîner. Le dîner. Placemat, le set de table. Le set de table. Full, rassasié, rassasié. Portion, la portion, la portion. Meal, le repas, le repas. Host, l'hôte, l'hôte, or l'hôtesse. Hostess, l'hôtesse. Guest, l'invité. So guest, l'invité. Now this is not the same guest as in checking in the hotel. Checking in the hotel, guest is a client. Here, guest is invité. It's, let's say, you're setting up the table because you have guests coming over. They're not your client. So here it's invité. Can I have some more, please? Puis-je en reprendre un peu, s'il vous plaît? Puis-je en reprendre un peu, s'il vous plaît? That's, can I have some more, please? I've had enough, thank you. Would be non merci, j'en ai eu assez. Non merci, j'en ai eu assez. That was delicious, c'était délicieux. C'était délicieux. That was delicious. So, c'était, that's in the past. That was delicious. Next slide. Markets, the different types of retail. So we have supermarket, le supermarché, as the first slide. Starting with the aisle, top left, l'allée. So aisle is l'allée. Shelf is l'étagère. L'étagère. Conveyor belt, le tapis roulant. Le tapis roulant. Checker, le caissier. Le caissier. Specials, les promotions. Les promotions. Checkout is la caisse. La caisse. Le client is customer. We've seen that before. Cash register, la caisse again. Cash register, la caisse. Shopping bag, la sac à provision. La sac à provision. Next slide. The grocery cart is called le caddie. Grocery cart is le caddie. Groceries, les provisions. Groceries, les provisions. Handle, lance. Lance. And the basket is le panier. Le panier. Barcode, le code barre. Le code barre. Scanner, le lecteur optique. Le lecteur optique. Next scan. Les produits surgelés are frozen food. So section frozen food would be les produits surgelés. Prepared food, les plats cuisinés. Les plats cuisinés. Drinks, les boissons. Les boissons. So les poissons with a P is fish. Les boissons with a B is drinks. So heads up on that. Next, we have les produits d'entretien, household products, les produits d'entretien. Toiletries, we have les articles de toilette. Les articles de toilette. I might be saying that a little fast. So, les articles de toilette. Baby products, les articles pour bébé. Les articles pour bébé. Electrical goods, électroménager. Électroménager. Pet food, la nourriture pour animaux. La nourriture pour animaux. And magazines, les magazines. Les magazines. Next slide, we have a bakery, la boulangerie. La boulangerie. Dairy, la crèmerie. La crèmerie. Breakfast cereals, les céréales. Les céréales. Canned food, les conserves. Les conserves. Candy, la confiserie. La confiserie. Vegetables, les légumes. Les légumes. Fruits, les fruits. Les fruits. Meat and poultry, la viande et la volaille. La viande et la volaille. Fish, le poisson. Le poisson. Deli is la charcuterie. La charcuterie. Next slide. Bakery, la boulangerie. la boulangerie. Pastry shop, la pâtisserie. Butcher shop, la boucherie. La boucherie. Fish counter, la poissonnerie. La poissonnerie. Produce stand, le marchand de légumes. Le marchand de légumes. L'épicerie, for grocery store, l'épicerie. Shoe store, le magasin de chaussures. Le magasin de chaussures. Hardware store, la quincaillerie. La quincaillerie. Antique store, le magasin d'antiquité. Le magasin d'antiquité. La boutique de cadeaux is the gift shop. La boutique de cadeaux. So be careful. It's not gâteau like cake. It's cadeau. Very similar but different in its definitions. Travel agency, l'agence de voyage. L'agence de voyage. Jewelry store, la bijouterie. La bijouterie. Next slide. We have the bookstore, la librairie. La librairie. Record store. These are rare nowadays, but back in the old days, we used to have record stores. Le magasin de disques. Le magasin de disques. Liquor store, le magasin de vin et spiritueux. Le magasin de vin et spiritueux. Pet store, l'animalerie. L'animalerie. La voiture de police is the police car. I included those just so you know, I had some space in the slide. So, la voiture de police. The siren, la sirène. La sirène. Les feux is the lights. Les feux is the lights. So, under the cop car, we have l'ambulance, the ambulance. On the left-hand side of that, we have le marché, the market. Left of that, la boutique, boutique. Again, another French word that we're using here in English. Le magasin de meubles, furniture store, magasin de meubles. Tailor shop, le tailleur. Tailor shop is le tailleur. Le salon de coiffure is the salon. Le salon de coiffure. So again here, coiffeur is a male hairdresser. Coiffeuse, a female hairdresser. And a salon is salon de coiffure. Makes sense? To the right of that, we have la voiture de pompier, the fire engine. So on top of the fire engine, let's start immediately on top of the fire engine. So we have l'échelle, the ladder. Next to l'échelle is la cabine, the cab. To the left of l'échelle is la flèche, the boom. Basket is la nacelle, la nacelle. Water jet, le jet d'eau, le jet d'eau. Firefighters, les sapeurs-pompiers, les sapeurs-pompiers. And to the right-hand side, we have the policeman. So, le policier, the police officer. To the right-hand side, we have the handcuffs. Les menottes, handcuffs, les menottes. Nightstick, la matraque, la matraque. I truly hope you never have to use these words when it comes to the police. But if, let's say, you really have to run to the police, at least you know how they are called. So, uniforme, l'uniforme is uniform. Badge is le badge. And gun is le pistolet. So gun, pistolet. Now for the vocabulary, we have l'agent immobilier, the real estate office. La pépinière, garden center. Le pressing, dry cleaner. La laverie automatique, laundromat. Le magasin d'appareils photo, camera store. Le magasin de produits diététiques, health food. So, le magasin de produits diététiques. Art supply store is la boutique d'art. La boutique d'art. Second hand store, le marchand d'occasion. Le marchand d'occasion. So next category, we have transportation. This will be quite useful. So here I decided to take pictures and not scan them. And this is where I'll ask for your input. Actually, any type of feedback is appreciated. But I'm just curious to see, do you prefer the pictures or do you prefer the scans? So please let me know in the comments. So for the airport, we have l'aéroport. So l'aéroport. Apron, l'aire de stationnement. L'aire de stationnement, that's the parking. Baggage trailer, le porte-bagages. Baggage trailer, porte-bagages. Terminal, le terminal. Le terminal. Service vehicle, le véhicule de service. Le véhicule de service. Jetway, la passerelle. La passerelle. An airliner, l'avion de ligne. L'avion de ligne. Next slide. We have the aircraft, l'avion. L'avion de ligne, the airliner. So for the aircraft, the tip in front is the nose, le nez. Le nez. Cockpit, le cockpit is the same thing. Engine, le réacteur. Le réacteur. Fuselage is fuselage. To be honest, I have no idea what that means. Wing, l'aile. Wing is l'aile. The tail is la queue. La queue. The rudder is la gouverne. La gouverne. L'empennage, tailplane. L'empennage is tailplane. La dérive. La dérive, fin. La dérive. L'aileron. Aileron. L'aileron. Landing gear, le train d'atterrissage. Le train d'atterrissage. Nose wheel, la roue de nez. La roue de nez. Exit, la sortie. La sortie. So again, you're not going to use every, airport or airplane body parts, but it's good to know. Just in case, you want to get seats closer to the nose of the aircraft or the tail. Now you'll know how to book it. It's better to know than not to know. So again, these are tough words, but it can be useful. The next slide is the bus. So for the bus, le bus. The driver's seat is le siège du conducteur. Le siège du conducteur. Handrail, la poignée. Handrail is la poignée. Automatic door, la porte automatique. La porte automatique. Front wheel, la roue avant. La roue avant. Luggage hold is le compartiment à bagages. Le compartiment à bagages. Next slide, you have the train. So le train, the train. Rail car is la voiture. So rail car, la voiture. But a regular car is also la voiture. You can say the vehicle, le véhicule, or la voiture for the car. I didn't put any slides for cars in here because there's no point of learning what the dashboard is and the motor, the transmission. It got into detail. So what I'll do is I'll just let you know that voiture is car. Platform here, le quai. Platform, le quai. Cart is le caddie. Le caddie. To the right-hand side, you have the platform number, le numéro de voie. Platform number is le numéro de voie. That's like the lane number, which lane it's on or which platform it is. Commuter is le voyageur. Commuter is le voyageur. La gare is the train station. La gare is the train station. The bus station is le station d'autobus. Le station d'autobus. Sorry if I'm going back and forth, but that wasn't included in the bus picture. So bus station,
Station d'autobus.
So that wraps up the main topics of our vocabulary session. It also wraps up the entire course or the program. Now you have everything in your power to speak fluently French. For everything else, you can just plug it in the sentence structure that I showed you in previous classes. Google the word, plug it into your formula, and there's your sentence. Do that with practice, and you'll see eventually with time, you'll know how to speak it without having to Google a certain word. You'll remember it from the last research, Google, and then you'll know how to speak. So I'm going to leave all 12 programs up on YouTube because I want everyone to learn the language. It doesn't cost me anything, and it just costs you your time and effort, but it's worth it. So I highly recommend going over the 12-week program. But for the ones that don't want to do this intensive 3-month plan, what you can do is I'm going to break up the classes by subtopic. So as an example, you already know masculine and feminine, but you don't remember what category masculine falls into. And you have a question, let's say. You'll be able to go specifically to that video and just learn specifically about that subtopic. So I'm going to break down the videos because some videos are 50 minutes long. And I do understand that's overwhelming for somebody that hasn't spoken French or doesn't speak French. So again, I'll break them down. I'll also do in the near future live Q&A sessions. Now these live sessions are going to be exclusive for the material that I've shown. So if it's anything that falls out of the topic of my classes, let's say if you need help with your high school French class, that's not going to be where I come in. The live sessions are exclusively for my material. So if I see it's material we've discussed together, material I've put up on my channel, then I'd be more than happy to go over them with you and answer any questions you have. Again, it's beginners level, let's not forget. So whenever we do these Q&A sessions, it's going to remain for beginners level. I won't complicate things too much because you can get quite complicated. It can get quite complicated when it comes to French. So again, I'm going to leave it just for the functional level. I want you to, as an American or as anybody else that speaks English, to go to France and to be able to get by and to not be nervous and to know that you fit in and you can speak and enjoy the language as much as anybody else. So with that being said, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. See you on our next class.